What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Beast here. Well, not really. But this is my script, so close enough. Listen, being a student is awesome, but let's be real. Those late-night study sessions don't pay the bills. If you're tired of living off ramen noodles, I've got your back. We're about to dive into 10 easy ways to make money as a student, all while juggling classes, exams, and maybe even a social life. We're talking side hustles that fit your schedule, not the other way around. Get ready to say goodbye to that empty wallet because things are about to get interesting. Let's do this.
First up, we've got online surveys. I'm talking about getting paid real cash just for sharing your thoughts. Companies want to know what you think about their products, services, you name it. Sites like OnePoll, YouGov and LifePoints will actually reward you with money for answering questions. It's super easy. Just sign up, choose the surveys that interest you, and boom, you're earning while you're learning. The best part? You can do it anytime, anywhere. Waiting for the bus? Survey time? Boarding class? Just kidding, pay attention. You get the idea. It's all about flexibility, baby.
Next level, unlocked paid to sites. I know what you're thinking. Get paid to watch videos. This has got to be a scam. But trust me, these sites are legit. We're talking about platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Pounds. They pay you for doing everyday things you already do online, like watching videos, taking surveys, or even playing games. It's like getting rewarded for procrastinating, but in a good way. You won't get rich doing this, but it's a fun, easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time.
Now, if you're looking for something a little more serious, freelancing might be your jam. This is where you get to be your own boss and set your own hours. Got a knack for writing, graphic design, or coding? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour connect you with clients who need your skills. You can work as much or as little as you want, making it the perfect side hustle for busy students. Plus, you'll gain valuable experience that'll look killer on your resume.
Okay, this one's almost too good to be true. Getting paid to search the web. Yep, you heard that right. With platforms like Microsoft Rewards and the QMe browser extension, you can earn rewards just for doing what you already do online. All you have to do is sign up, link your account, and start browsing. You'll earn points or cash back for clicking on sponsored links or completing searches. It's a completely passive way to make money, and every little bit helps, right? Ever heard of crowdsourcing? Well, Clickworker is all about that. They connect businesses with a global workforce to complete small tasks, and you can be a part of it. We're talking about things like data entry, image tagging, and even training AI algorithms. The tasks are simple, and you can choose the ones that interest you. It's a great way to earn some extra cash in your downtime and learn new skills along the way.
Alright, Brainiacs, this one's for you. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Online tutoring is a booming industry, and platforms like MyTutor, Tutorful, and First Tutors are always looking for qualified tutors. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and help students succeed. Plus, explaining concepts to others is a fantastic way to solidify your own understanding.
Chapter 7. Love trying out new products and services? Well, get this, you can get paid for it. Companies are always looking for feedback on their offerings, and they're willing to pay for your honest opinions. Websites like User Testing and Slice the Pie will pay you to test out websites, apps, and even provide feedback on music. It's a fun and engaging way to make money while sharing your thoughts.
Ever wanted to be a secret agent? Well, mystery shopping is about as close as it gets. Companies hire mystery shoppers to evaluate the customer service at their stores, restaurants, or even over the phone. You'll get paid to act like a regular customer, make observations, and provide feedback. It's a fun and interesting way to earn money while helping businesses improve their services.
Calling all aspiring actors, or those who just like to be in the background. Working as a film or TV extra can be a fun and flexible way to make some extra cash. You don't need any experience, just a willingness to follow directions and maybe spend a few hours hanging out on set. Websites like Universal Extras, Casting Collective, and Ray Night Casting can help you find gigs in your area. Got a car and a driver's license? Then you've got a potential money-making machine right there. Delivery gigs with companies like Deliveroo, Uber Eats, and Amazon Flex are all the rage these days. You can set your own hours, choose your deliveries, and be your own boss. It's a great way to earn money on your own terms while exploring your city. So there you have it. 10 easy ways to make money as a student. From online surveys to mystery shopping, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. The best part is, these gigs are all about flexibility, so you can earn extra cash without sacrificing your studies. Remember, every little bit counts, and it all adds up over time. Now go out there, hustle hard, and make it rain. And hey, if you ever find yourself swimming in cash, you know where to find me. Peace out.